Hi, are you looking for a house on rent? These are the questions you should be asking the owner or the broker who is showing you the house. Let's talk about the house. About the house. What is the house type? Flat, an apartment, independent house, or a villa? House or an apartment society name. That is, you should be asking about the name of the society in which this apartment is located. BHK, whether it's a 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 5 BHK, that's a penthouse, or a 4 BHK, whatever it be. You have to ask all these questions to the owner or to the broker. Floor. This apartment or house is on which floor? Ground, first, second, third, or maybe higher floors like 12th, 15th, 30th. Age of the house. How old is the building? Area, size of the house. If it's built up on a plot, then you have to ask them the plot size, and if it's an apartment, area in square feet, 1200 square feet, 1500 square feet, 2800 square feet or more. Reconfirm about the city, because at times it may happen somebody is having houses in multiple cities, so you need to be very clear about the city, especially when you are talking from outstation. Check the locality. Street. What is the rent amount owner is expecting? You have to ask owner explicitly about the rent amount, because at times broker may try to mislead you. So you have to be very clear with the owner about the rent he is expecting. What's the deposit amount owner is expecting? Again, you have to be clear about the deposit amount. That is the amount which you would be giving him besides the rent at the that is the amount that you would be giving the owner besides the rent, and this amount is refundable at the time when you vacate the house. Is maintenance included in the rent amount? That's a very important question to be asked, because at times either the maintenance is separate or it's included in the house, and if you fail to ask this question and owner is thinking or he has made up his mind to include maintenance, and if you don't ask him, then later on he can always say, no, maintenance is separate. Is furniture included? Is there a parking? And if yes, the number of parkings. Ask them from when is the house available, so that you can be very clear the day you want to shift. Is he looking for a family or bachelors or anybody? Ask them about amenities and facilities in the house or in the society. Ask them images of the house as well as that of the locality, because it's not just the house that you are going to stay, it's the locality as well. Nearby areas, shopping centers, hospital, or maybe you can even ask them for the Google location. Ask for hospital, school, fire station and allied details. Share your profile with them and ask for the owner's profile. Check for commission from an agent before doing the site visit. And still, if you are confused and don't know how to go about it, you can always get in touch with us in Gurgaon so that we can help you. You can mail us at manish@ vhashtag.com. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.